What's going on? It's your big brother Trend Genius. You tuned in to another video. If you click this video, you clicked it for a reason, okay? Excuse the noise in the background. I got a chef in here cooking or whatever. But anyway, if you are an aspiring YouTuber, if you are a YouTuber already, you have a YouTube channel, all right? I got something to tell you, okay? It's very important. All right. I don't know about you. If you're a content creator, at the end of the day, you're doing this because you love to do it. You're doing what your channel is all about because you're passionate about it. I don't know what you do. I don't know if you cook. I don't know if you teach, preach. I don't know if you do auto mechanics. I don't care what you do. But I'm going to tell you something. As a content creator that has had over 5 different channels, okay? I currently have 2 channels right now that I operate, over thousands of subscribers. And I've been doing YouTube for 10 whole years. As a matter of fact, just yesterday, they sent me my 10-year anniversary. I've been doing it for that long. So me personally, a little bit about me, my background with YouTube, I have a YouTube Silver Award. So YouTube has already awarded me the 100,000 award and everything. I'm working on the gold plat next, okay? For 1 million. So I know YouTube like the back of my hand, okay? Cause I love YouTube and YouTube loves me. But anyway, sometimes they don't. Sometimes YouTube be on they cycle, okay? And that's what I'm about to tell you right now as a 10-time veteran on YouTube if you are a content creator, all right? At the end of the day, you really doing this to make a good sum of revenue, all right? Let's keep it real. You want to get paid for your art. You want to get paid for your craft. Even me, okay? One thing, YouTube won't tell you everything, okay? They won't tell you everything. If I owned a business and I was trying to make profits, I won't tell you everything either. That's how businesses are supposed to operate, okay? Keep your clients buying, keep your customers buying, and you just supply their product, okay? That's how every company runs their business, okay? They're always gonna take more profit than, what the customer probably has, okay? So that's understandable, okay? But one thing you should know is that there's something right now that has just happened on the YouTube platform that some content creators should know, all right? All content creators do not know this. I know this because I study YouTube and I figured things out on my own as I go. Okay, I know the secret on how to monetize your channel. Okay, I know the secret on how to elevate your channel. Okay, to get more views, more subscribers. I know a lot more than a lot of people out here that teach YouTube videos tell y'all. Even though I personally listen to a lot of guys that coach YouTube and stuff like that, it's some things that I know that they don't know, but I don't make videos about that. I just come out every blue moon and I tell, such and such and whoever watches the video, my secrets. So this is what I'm about to tell you. If your channel is lacking in views, subscribers, but you are consistently uploading videos, I know the problem. I can help you with that. If your channel, if you got a lot of channels on, a lot of videos on your channel, all right, and you want to do YouTube, you are invested into YouTube, but your channel is not making the money that you deserve, I know the solution to that problem, okay? I've been in these situations numerous times, okay? So basically what I'm saying is, if you're not getting the views that you deserve and you feel like something ain't right, and you're doing everything you can, that's me. That's where I come in at and help you navigate the corner in front of you that you don't know what's around the corner, okay? I'm that type of thinker. I know exactly what you need to do because I can look at your channel. I can just eyeball what's going on with your channel. I can tell by the way you make your content what's going on. I can just tell, you know what I mean? So basically I'm saying I can help you make more money on your YouTube channel. That's what I'm saying. I can help your channel be highly monetized, all right? I know what YouTube wants. I know what they look for. I know who they recommend, and I know which channels they will promote based on your setup that you have for your channel. I know the ultimate key setup, okay? And the only thing you have to do is just flip on the switch, okay? It's not anything that you're doing wrong as a creator. It's not anything that you're saying. No, YouTube is not trying to demonetize you. They're not trying to kick you off the platform. It's not that they don't like you. No, you're doing something wrong. I know exactly what you're doing wrong. But I can't tell everybody in the world this secret. Only I know it. And when you talk to me, you're going to thank me after I tell you what you're doing wrong. Okay? If you're trying to make good money on YouTube for your efforts in making your content, right? That's what this video is about. If you feel like you're not getting paid and you over 1,000 subscribers and you make videos consistently, persistent, I know what you're doing wrong. That's all I got to say. Okay? So I'm not going to go on any longer. I'm not going to convince you that I know what I'm talking about. I'm not going to try to influence you or persuade you. I'm just telling you, I know how to make your channel start getting buku money. Okay, now mind you, on my YouTube channel, I don't have any flags. YouTube has never red flagged none of my videos. And I make videos talk about a lot of different creative things, okay? It has nothing to do with how long you've been on the platform. It has nothing to do with your gender. It has nothing to do with your race. Nothing. YouTube does not discriminate. As a matter of fact, I believe YouTube is the best platform on the whole social media platform. I don't think nobody topping YouTube. They number one to me. I won't never stop making YouTube videos as long as YouTube continues to exist. These other platforms, TikTok, they good, but they ain't like YouTube. TikTok creators, they nice. I like some of them. Facebook people, they nice. Instagram, they all right. But on YouTube, you can be a bigger celebrity than real celebrities, for real, because YouTube is awesome. But you will never get to understand how awesome YouTube really is if you don't know the secrets that I know, that I can tell you today. Okay? So with that being said, I'm not going to hold you. I really got to eat this good old food this chef is about to make me. Okay? But I'm not going to hold you. If you want to know the secrets to all the madness that you're experiencing on this beautiful platform, all right, and you want to change your channel and elevate your revenue share, contact me, TriniusHenderson@gmail.com, and just say, Big Bro Trent, I'm interested in learning how I can boost my monetization, boost my AdSense revenue, okay? Mind you, folks, I'm all the way in Thailand, and I'm getting Thailand rev sometimes since I just came out here. And then I'm also getting United States rev. But I'm all around the world though. But I'm just saying my two main countries right now is the United States of America, Thailand, and Canada. With three main countries. Okay? But anyway, I'm not gonna hold y'all. Like I said, this video is for whoever it came across. If you having problems with your channel and you know you got over 1,000 subscribers, but something ain't working right, you trying to upload consistently, you don't know what's going on, I'm the man you go to clear up the blockages. Okay, I know exactly what you need to do, but you got to get in contact with me by email. My email is my channel name with no spaces, TriniusHenderson@gmail.com. I'm not going to say nothing else. If you want to talk to me on a 30-minute call, hit me up right now, and I will help you out, and you will thank me for helping you out because I know exactly what your channel needs. It's just that simple. All right, I know a lot of people. Okay, so that's all I got to say. I love y'all creators. Keep creating. Don't get discouraged. This is the best platform ever. YouTube is great, and it will always be the best platform in my opinion, okay? I'll catch y'all later. Make sure you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Peace.